Hello friends, today we're gonna show you how to do a puffy ghost for Halloween day. This is what we need: white paper, black crayon, glue stick, scissors and cotton ball